Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the rake that we got from Amazon. In the box it comes with the user manual. Here's us following the steps, and we're just screwing everything on and constructing the rake. It's very easy. You just screw everything on, follow the instruction manual, and it should take no more than like a minute to construct. This is us adding the last part, just the rake. Super easy. And that's what the finished product should look like. It's very secure. And there's like a little flap on the bottom, and if you push it out, you can see how the rake changes. And you could just lock it. And here we're just cleaning up the backyard, collecting all the leaves. You can see it doing a really good job, collecting most of the leaves. Yeah, this rake is super handy. It worked very well, and we used it throughout the backyard. It cleaned up all the leaves. We had no problems using it. It was really easy to construct.